Teradyne is a leading global supplier of automated test equipment and robotics solutions founded in 1960. They design, develop, manufacture, and sell automated test systems and robotics products for industries such as consumer electronics, wireless, automotive, industrial, computing, communications, and aerospace and defense. Their products include semiconductor test systems, robotics products, defense and aerospace test instrumentation, production board test systems, and wireless test systems. For semiconductor test equipment, they have systems for wafer-level, device package testing, and system-level testing of various semiconductor devices used in automotive, industrial, communications, consumer, smartphones, cloud, computer, and electronic game applications. Their products are sold to integrated device manufacturers, fabless companies, foundries, and semiconductor assembly and test providers. The focus is on improving product quality, measuring and improving product performance, reducing time to market, and increasing production yields for their customers. Teradyne's robotics segment includes Universal Robots and Mobile Industrial Robots. Universal Robots provides collaborative robots, cobots, for industries such as automotive, food and beverage, metal machining, electronics, and pharmaceuticals. The cobots are easy to program, offer a high return on investment, have versatile deployment, can operate safely alongside employees, and provide precision engineering. They also offer extensive training and customer service programs. Mobile Industrial Robots focuses on autonomous mobile robots for industrial applications such as material handling, tugger, and ground support vehicle markets. Mobile Industrial Robots, MIR, provides autonomous mobile robots, AMRs, for manufacturing and logistics industries to enhance productivity by streamlining workforce efficiency, reducing lead times, and improving workplace safety. They offer 3 deckload AMR models, MIR 250, MIR 600, and MIR 1350, as well as a pallet jack AMR, MIR 1200 pallet jack, all managed through their unified fleet management software, MIR Fleet. The robots are easy to use with quick deployment, operate safely in busy environments with 360 safety coverage, have reliable autonomous navigation across large areas, and offer a short payback period of 12 to 24 months. Teradyne's system test segment comprises 2 business units: defense, aerospace, and production board test. The defense and aerospace unit provides high-performance test systems for military and commercial aerospace electronic systems, catering to programs such as tactical aircraft and missile systems. This segment has a strong presence in major U.S. military service branches and allied defense services worldwide. The production board test unit offers test systems for printed circuit board assemblies, providing offline and automated inline configurations for various industries like automotive, computing, and communications. The company generates a significant portion of its revenue from its 5 largest direct customers, with the majority of sales coming from customers outside the United States. Customers often purchase their test systems based on recommendations from OEMs, IDMs, integrated device manufacturers, and fabless companies. Teradyne considers the OSAT, original equipment manufacturer, as the customer in such cases. Teradyne sells its products through a direct sales force in North America, Central America, Asia, and Europe. Robotics products, distributors, and OEMs are the primary channels. Manufacturing activities for test businesses are mainly conducted through subcontractors and outsourced contract manufacturers in Malaysia, while robotics business manufacturing occurs primarily in Denmark and the US. Competitors in the industry include Advantis Corporation, Kuka Robotics Corporation, ABB, Fanuc, Staubli, and Yaskawa Electric Corporation, as well as emerging companies such as Techman, Doosan, Jaka, and Ayubo Robotics in the collaborative robot space. Teradyne notes the business is influenced by unpredictable global and industry-specific economic cycles, which can lead to oversupply issues. Their capital expenditures depend on market demand for semiconductors, electronics, and other industrial products. Economic downturns may reduce customer purchases, impacting their revenues and earnings. Various risks, like increased price competition, obsolete inventory risk, or credit loss risks, could adversely affect their operating results. Teradyne has implemented cost control measures but cannot guarantee if these will be sufficient to counter potential disruptions in the future. It's also important to mention Teradyne's market is concentrated, with a limited number of significant customers making up a large portion of their sales. In the years 2024, 2023, and 2022, these top customers accounted for 36, 32, and 26% of consolidated revenues, respectively. The customer Samsung alone was estimated to account for 12.5% of Teradyne's revenue in 2024. The trend towards customer consolidation could increase their dependence on fewer customers who may exert more pressure on contract terms. To get a better idea of the established and emerging robotics industry, and for more on Teradyne and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.